When you say Pani Puri, you like it, no? So once you see how it is done, you will be very, very happy. Come, we'll all get together and make the puris and the Pani Puri, the filling and the juice and all that. Come, we will join and prepare this to see how the Pani Puris are coming. First we will take the flour. I am not making a bigger quantity, I am just showing you how to make it. So we will take a small quantity and make it, but I have given you for 1 cup of flour, white flour, you need semolina half a cup. Mix it nicely so that it comes like a dough. We call it as rolang also, but semolina, when you take it, slightly warm it and keep it ready. Don't roast it, but warm it slightly. Warm slightly and then use it, don't roast it. So we need a little more flour. See, when you use like this and roll it, about 1.5 to 2 inch, not a very big round that you have to cut it, smaller rounds. Mixture, please remember, once you mix the mixture, at least for about 15 minutes keep it so that it gets nicely fermented also, and then only we roll it. Now we are going to deep fry this. We will see how we are going to deep fry. Now oil is hot. I am going to put the round slowly one by one. I put it and see whether it's puffing up. If it puffs up only, the puri will come out nicely. Oh, don't put the spoon, don't put anything. Just slowly allow it to get the oil, reduce the heat, slowly put it. It has to come up. There are 2 fillings to be done, so we will do both filling one at a time like. There is a filling to be done, so we will make the filling. I am taking the gram, boil and slightly mash up the gram. If you like, you can use potatoes also, but I am not using potatoes. I am using only the gram, which I have soaked overnight and boiled and kept it. Green chilies, onions, garlic, all that you put together. Mix it nicely, add a little salt. We use potatoes also, but I am not using the potatoes. I am using only the gram and a little pepper, chili pieces, which I have mixed and kept it. Right? These are the things that we need as a filling. Now what I am going to do is another thing I am going to do and show you. So we will wait and see what we are going to do. And either you use dates or you can use even any sweet things that we can use. I will show you how we are going to do this now. Now I am going to grind all these ingredients together. I have already washed coriander leaves, green chilies, and either you use dates, put a little water and grind it to a paste. Yes, I'll put the tamarind juice into this, a little tamarind juice. Just grind it once more. Strain this nicely. This is something very important for the Pani Puri because It has to be sweet, sour, and all the flavors should come into this line. Ready? This is the mixture that we want. This is the filling that we want, and the puris are there. So we will see how we are going to do this now. Now I am going to do the Pani Puri. Don't go and buy outside. You can make yourself. So see how we are going to make it. Make a small hole and then you put the mixture here. The mixture that we use is, important thing is gram, potatoes if you like you can put, onions, green chilies and all that you can use it here. Either you dip it like this and take, or I will put it inside this. Put the whole thing into your mouth, not little by little. The whole thing should go into the mouth. This is Pani Puri. Potatoes are there, it's better. Potatoes and gram, onions, green chilies, curry leaves, whatever you like you can put. And actually this has to be dipped and taken, but I am just to show you, just soak it like this. It has to be soaked. Now you know how to make Pani Puri at home. It's easy to make, but the thing is we don't like to make it at home. The problem that we have is how to make it. So now you know how to make the puris first and then to make the filling and the juice that comes with that. These are the very important things that comes. So you try it out and see how it comes. You will be amazed if you see you can make you yourself than going and buying from out. You can eat out also, you can go and eat, but the thing is not like we make and say I made it. So you try it out and see how it comes. Next episode I'll come back with another nice episode. Till then you can wait and see what I'm going to do next time. Bye from me now.